You clicked on this video for a reason, to learn how to import custom songs in Roblox. I got you, so stick with me through the full video, because I'll show how to upload and use your own track safely without getting flagged or banned. First, you can't just drag an MP3 into Roblox. Every audio file has to go through Roblox's asset upload system. Go to the Create tab on the Roblox website, select Audio, and click Upload File. Choose your song, and Roblox will automatically convert it into a usable format. Here's the part most people miss. Your upload has to follow Roblox's copyright rules. That means you can only use music you made yourself or songs licensed for reuse. If you try uploading copyrighted tracks, Roblox will remove them instantly, and it can affect your account standing. Once uploaded, copy the asset ID from your song's page. That number at the end of the URL is what makes the magic happen. Open Roblox Studio. Insert a sound object, and paste that ID into the sounded property. When you press play, your song will run directly in-game. If you don't have access to Studio or want to use your track in a public game, look for community games that support custom song IDs. Many rhythm or tycoon games have in-game Boombox or jukebox systems, where you can paste your sound ID and play your upload right away. Pro tip: keep your file size under 7 megabytes. Larger uploads get compressed or rejected, and your track can lose quality. Aim for shorter loops or instrumental cuts to keep it sounding clean. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment about the problem and I'll help you out.